We are in Clare at the moment, and we are right in front of O'Neill's pub. That's 130 years old. The best way to treat us and treat back, same like Halloween, trick or treat, same like that. This pub, they are good for, and it's 130 years old anyway. I know the three sisters, one called Anne, Betty, and Bernie, and they are the three hostess behind the bar, and they show you how they treat us and how we are going to receive that. So that's what we are going to do at the moment.
So you can see the inside views from the pub. This is a famous pub. It's a small pub. It's not like a big pub, but it's a small and 130 years old.
We are right in front of O'Neill's pub. It's in 130 years old, and this is one of the Okay, now I am standing right in front of O'Neill's pub, and it's 130 years old, and this is the oldest pub in Ireland. So whenever you get a chance to come to County Clare or visit Galway or Cliff of Moher, this is the only place you get a short draw Guinness in Ireland. So don't miss it.
This is a variety. This
is a variety of that. You can
feel
it.
There is thousands of pubs there, but this is the special one.
This is a special one. Even American ambassadors and all the famous people, they came over here. They had a flag, and we show you in a minute the flag we are going to drink in an Irish style. Okay?
Take one.
Take one now. Oh, let's cheers. Beautiful. When I just zoom in on that now. Larry's right there. Oh, we have to drink it. Go on in.
No.
Next door over here. Cheers, kid. Oh, yeah. Job done.
Happy.
Come in. No.
Explain something about the
There we go now.
Ready? We're good. Action. Welcome to O'Neill's Bar. The smallest little bar in the village. Okay. With the best personalities, the best people, and the best pint. Okay. So if you're ever in the area, come to O'Neill's Bar, Newmarket-on-Fergus, you're always welcome. And the first pint is on end. And you can take that from me. So there you have to be on enough for the first pint tonight.
What's the difference about the Guinness here and other place? I heard the Guinness from here is a short draw. You get it from short draw.
It's a smaller draw. It's more localized. It's not industrialized. It's just, and it comes from the heart.
It's come from the heart.
It's come from the heart, and it's a beautiful pint.
It's called Ishkibaha.
Ishkabaha is whiskey.
Whiskey.
Whiskey. But this is as good as whiskey, an Irish whiskey. We call it.
Okay. Thanks very much.
No problem, lad. Enjoy your stay. Have a great time.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Are you just having a water? No, nothing. You can
Just a thumbs up, eh?
What's the birdie? You don't have to pause, you know, instead of the camera. You can talk, will you? We're still here, yeah?
Right, Guinness. You know the color of Guinness? What is that? Maybe the answer come black, brown, different colors, but the color is ruby red. Always remember, ruby red. Okay? And the second thing you have, if you go to the bar, just think about, just ask the stewards or someone, they ask about, what type of a draw is it? Is it long draw or short draw? Long draw is a pipe passing from the keg to the all the long way to the cold room, and the short draw is very, just down the bottom. They've kept some bottles down there like keg, and it's come straight through the draft
Yeah, from the pipe.
from the pipe. So
But this is very natural.
this is very natural.
One. Because this pub, there's not so many people. It's only very little people coming.
Yeah.
This is a small pub. It's 130 years old.
Yeah.
So this place, actually, this door before, the people coming from the back side,
Yeah.
from the field, and
Yeah.
they coming inside. They keep all the 130 years old tables, chairs, and the mat, everything. They kept it very good, and they are coming straight to here, and they're asking the beer.
And this is the
here.
counter.
This is the counter. They're asking from in it. That's nice, yeah.
120.
120 years old. Okay. So you three sisters living nearby, or?
We're living close by, like, and we're not living in the premises. Like.
Okay. So
Just
Majan told me that there's an American ambassador and famous people came here.
Yeah, they're all up there.
Yeah.
The wall, yeah.
It's an American ambassador.
He was here, he drank the flag like he did.
Yeah. There is so many flags and
Put it on YouTube. It's like
20 years old.
you could play the guitar.
Oh, yeah.
We've no guitar that can do our We wouldn't get him out if we had the guitar.
If something music, it will be very good. But sometimes it's good music, eh?
Well,
Okay.
it was only off the cuff. Like.
Oh, very good.
wasn't there?
Yeah, we had the guitar there.
Do you have a guitar here?
No, no guitar. It's gone. We used to have it. They heard you playing, they said it was time to get rid of the guitar.
And
This is Loda, and that's
Loda.
Tasha.
This is three sisters.
Oh,
Three sisters running this pub.
and
yeah.
this is our buddy. Yeah, so we decided we'd take him out and hang him up.
Okay.
We
So
kept
who bring these caps like?
all different people from all over the world.
All right.
Yeah.
So they give to you for memories or?
Memories.
Memories, yeah,
Memories,
very good, yeah.
Some of them sign them
Okay.
and leave them, you know what I mean?
All right. Okay.
So we have to remember everybody that comes back. We might remember your name, but we
Yeah.
remember the face. The
So
face.
they're from
yeah.
different
It's amazing amount of people.
part of the world. They visited this pub
Whatever they've left, like,
different times, and the signature, it have the signature in it, and hello folks. Please tell something about O'Neill's pub. Yeah,
Best pub in Ireland.
best pub, and also it's very old.
Very homely.
Yeah, very
family
homely
run
and very
business.
old.
Ennis and Clare.
130 years old. I heard that.
Best
130
pint of
years old.
Guinness you get around the place.
All
Irish
right,
flag.
yeah.
First time in here, Irish flag.
Yeah.
Irish flag.
Yeah.
Newcomers.
So you guys like young generation and the old generation as well.
Our parents and our grandparents
Like, yeah.
have drank here for years.
Yes, yeah, years, yeah.
Hundreds of years.
130 years. Yeah.
Centre of the
place to
village.
come.
Yeah.
The centre of the village.
Yeah. So there is no other place like
Oh, there
this,
is,
no?
there is, but this is the best.
This is the best
This is
one,
the
yeah.
old school,
Yeah.
old school.
Nice to
Old
meet you. What's your name? Yeah.
Donna.
Donna. And
Ian. Nice to
Ian?
meet you.
Yeah.
Jimmy,
Jimmy. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
So, yeah.
good health.
Good. Yeah.
Sláinte.
Yeah.
Sláinte.
Nice
So-
to meet you boys.
Okay, thanks very much.
Good luck,
Thanks
boys.
very much. Yeah.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name on YouTube?
Adventure Tours.
Adventure Tours.
Yeah. 256 million subscribers.
Adventure Tours.
256. All right, guys.
I want to
Yeah.
enjoy it.
Enjoy. Yeah.